square x square minus 1 x square minus 1 by x e power x square plus 1 by x dx equal to e power x square plus 1 by x. This is a right statement. True. See, 1 x square by x equal to x minus 1 by x e power x plus 1 by x dx. X plus 1 by x equal to t. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. So this value becomes to dt. This is e power t. So e power t plus c. T value x square plus 1 by x. T value x square plus 1 by x. First statement is right. Second statement.
Sir.
Question is right. Next, reason f dash x into e power f of x dx. F of x equal to t. F dash x dx equal to dt. E power t dt. E power t. E power f of x. This is the right answer. But given f of x plus c. This is the right answer. But given this one f of x plus c. So reason R is the wrong. R is the wrong. Bit number 128. Integral f of x g dash x minus f dash x g of x by f of x into g of x log of g of x minus log of f of x dx. First write this one, log of g of x by f of x log m minus log n. Log m by n formula. Log m by n. Next, this one multiply and divide with the f of x. Multiply and divide with f of x. This gx is this one. Multiply and divide with the f of x. Write this one as is. F of x g dash x minus f dash x g of x dx. All of you listen. minus log n, log m by n, multiply and divide with f of x. See, log of g of x by f of x, all of you listen, let it be t, let it be t. It's a derivative of the log function 1 by g of x by f of x. Derivative of the log function is over. Derivative of the internal function u by v formula, u v dash minus v u dash by v square. This is the derivative of the log function log x 1 by x into derivative of u by v, v into u dash minus u into v dash by v square dx equal to dt. So 1 by gx by f of x equal to f of x by g of x. Take the reciprocal value. This one is this. So integral, this is t. This total value is dt, t power 1, t power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So 1 by 2 into log of g of x by f of x whole square plus c. Write down f of x plus c. This is a e. Already నేను చెప్పుకున్నాము దీని ఫార్ములా షార్ట్ కట్ AE or AT. Apply u integral v u dash double integral v u double dash triple integral v minus so on, alternative plus or minus. This is u, this is v, x cube into e power 5x by 5, e power 5x by 5, u dash, its derivative 3x square, again its integral e power 5x by 5 square. First integration 1 5, second integration we get another 5 in the denominator plus its derivative 6x e power 5x by 5 cube minus derivative of 6x 6 e power 5x by 5 power 4. First take e power 5x common, e power 5x common, x cube by 5, 3x square by 25, 6x by 125, 6 by 625. Take LCM. 6 power 6, 25 LCM. 6, 25 LCM. 1 5 cancel. 125 x cube. 25 times cancel. Minus 75 x square. 125 5 times cancel. 5 into 6 30x minus 6. So fourth option is the right answer. Fourth option is the right answer. Integral log x whole power 5 dx equal to a into log x power 5 plus b into log x whole power 4 c into log x whole cube d into log x whole square e into log x plus f x into log x whole power 5. This is the first term. 5. Suppose 6. Suppose 7. Take 7. Listen. Bring this one as quotient. Minus 5x log x whole power 4. Again, bring this one in this place. Plus, alternative plus or minus 20x log x whole cube minus 60x log x whole square plus 120x log x minus 120x log x whole power 0 value 1 plus c. This is the answer. X log x power 5. Bring this one as quotient. 5x 20 60 120 alternative plus and minus. Take x common. Log x power 5 log x whole power 4 plus 20 log x whole cube minus 60 log x whole square plus 120 log x minus 120 c d e f. B plus C plus D plus E plus F. A value 1, B value minus 5, C value 20, D value minus 60, plus 120, minus 120, plus 120, minus 120 cancel. Next, positive values 21 minus 65. 21 minus 65